Ever wondered what bird billionaires look like? Let's count down the top 5 richest birds on the planet. Kicking off at number 5, the African gray parrot. Smart and sought after, it can sell for up to $5,000. Fourth place, the toucan with its iconic beak. Some toucans fetch $10,000 or more. Swooping into third place is the palm cockatoo. Rare and dramatic, they can cost about $16,000 each. Runner-up, the hyacinth macaw, a stunning blue beauty. This VIP parrot can fetch up to $40,000. And the crown goes to the racing pigeon. Top racing champions have sold for over $1.4 million. So next time you spot a bird, remember, some fly first class.